Hi everyone, I'm Amy from the Cauldron, and in today's Vlogmas I'm going to make something for myself. I'm going to make some mulled apple juice. I've got my apple juice, I've got my spices. Let's get mulling. I have here my sterilised bottle. I've already started adding the ingredients. That's because I thought I was filming and it turns out I wasn't. So I've got the cinnamon sticks in there. I've got 2 cinnamon sticks. I'm going to add 3 cloves, just because I know cloves can be quite overpowering. Next up, I've got some nutmeg. When I grate my nutmegs, I always end up with these little bits that are left over. So I'm just going to take these 2 little end pieces that I can never grate, and I'm just going to cut them up very carefully. There we go. Just some little bits of nutmeg there, not much. In it goes. Next up, I'm going for some cardamon pods. Now I don't want to put them in just like that, I want the seeds. So I'm going to take 3 pods and I'm just going to crush them a little bit with my pestle and mortar. See, these are now opened up. I can get the seeds out, so I can just stick the whole things in now. My final ingredient, I've got whole anise seeds. I'm going to take out a tiny little pinch. So that's 1, 2, that's maybe about 5 seeds there. I don't want this to overpower everything, so in it goes. I'm going to add the apple juice now, and then I can leave this for, I'm going to leave it for at least a day in the fridge, just to let all the spices mingle and infuse. And if it's not quite what I want, then I can always just add some more spices. If you don't like cloves, you don't have to add them. If you absolutely love cinnamon, you could do just apple and cinnamon. That would be quite nice. I'm just doing this for me, for my tastes. There we go. Just going to pop the lid on, give it a little shake up. Now I did sterilise this. There we go. And now I can just leave this in the fridge for at least a day and taste it. If it's not what I want, I can always add more spices. And there we have it. It's really just that simple. I'm going to leave this for at least a day just to let all the spices and flavours infuse. And then when I'm ready, I can decant it into one of my mugs, heat it up and taste it. And if it's not quite what I want, I can stick it back in the fridge, add a few more spices and see what I want, see what it's like then. That's such a wonderful thing. You can just adjust these to your own tastes. What spices would you add to apple juice? Let me know. I absolutely love mulled apple juice. I love mulled wine. So yeah, I'm always on the lookout for different flavour combinations for what is essentially mulled apple juice, which I love. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. And tune in tomorrow for another episode of Vlogmas. Thank you so much for watching.